What's up, YouTube? To the video, I'm going to show you this. This is my vacuum. I got in my home, my vacuum, and they start working. They do like a red light, and they not do nothing. When you take it off from the charger, they not do nothing. So that means I think the battery is there. It's not good. So they call it like the red light. The red light of that. So let's show you how they do. It's charging, I think, over there. Let's see. Oh, you see? They do that like they want to start it, but they don't. Watch. They got the blue light, means it's supposed to charge it now. It's not. They're beeping. They start beeping a little while, but they still flashing the red light. So that means they got like the red light there. It means the battery. So the way we do, I have to take it off, all the screw, to open it. You see what going on with the battery. So let's do this. All right, I already opened it. You have to take it out a C screw. Right here, it's right there. So they go over here, another way here, here, and over here. So you have to take it off. The straight garbage, take it off, and then right away they go and pop up. Now the battery over there, it's right there. So I had to take it off 1, 2, and 3 screw, remove the motherboard, and I had to take it out the battery. So let me do this. All right, I open it. I remove the battery. This is the old battery, and I check it out. They got 13 volt, so I think it's good. Something happened. I got replacement battery. I already put it all together. I put everything, so I want to check if that one they got 13 volt too. So I don't know if it's the battery or not. So let me find out. Now I put it all together. I put it the 3 screw. I put it all the wire back together. Now let's test it out. They supposed to work. At least turn it on the line. Let's see. Right. Let me wait. Maybe they give you the red, maybe not. Nice. I mean it's working. So let me finish, put it all together, and let's see that she run or not. All right, let's see they work. I put the garbage tray in the place, and let me turn it on. So let's see, she's working. It's blue, still blue. There. Here we go. Yeah. She's working, bro. I know. But this is the way that you fix it. So this is the OKP Lite K2. This is the version 2. I don't know for the other ones. This is the solution for that one. So you need to change the battery. So when you see you got vacuum and they got the red light of there, when you put a charge or whatever, or they want to work, and right away they pop out the red light. So it means the battery is not good. But it's strange because the battery, I tested out the voltage, it still got 13.5, something like that. So it's good. They want to put it on it. they got 13.52. So something happened with this battery. Maybe I don't know, something happened with this. But now it's working with a new battery. So that's it, guys. This is for this video. So if you got any comment, whatever, you leave it in the comment section. And if you like, subscribe, and we see you in next video.